Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix jitter and latency in Rainbow Six Siege. So here's a quick guide to smooth out your game step by step. So first make sure your system meets the minimum specs, right? If your CPU, RAM or graphics card is underpowered, lag is unavoidable. So make sure to update your graphics driver. Just open device manager and find your display adapter and click update driver, right? So let me show you some more solutions from Reddit. So, and if your game freezes randomly, set it to run on a single core and open Task Manager and go to Details, right click Rainbow Six exe and then choose Set Affinity. Right. Also, here is another solution. So, op- just open Task Manager, go to Details tab, right click Sage and select Affinity or whatever it's called. Uncheck all processors except the last one and hit Apply and wait for a few seconds. Then recheck all processors and this should make your game stop freezing. And so this person actually says that it works like a charm. So, however, this problem might come back after 30 to 45 minutes. So there is no permanent fix here. So another thing you can do is just close all background apps. Simply to do this, just go to Task Manager and let me show you the steps. With the Task Manager from the Start menu, uh, and then go to Windows icon, just task manager here, and then close all the unnecessary tasks. And this should make your game run more smoother. Another thing you can do is limit FPS if you have the option. So locate your games folder and select Rainbow Siege and go to games setting.inf file and you need a notepad app to open the INF file. Then find the display line, then set the FPS to limit 60 or below. Or if you have a low end GPU, you can set it to 45 or 40. And this should stabilize frame pacing. Also, you can try lowering graphic settings on the game. This will give you hardware some breathing room. You can also set your VSync off and reduce texture or shadow quality to low. And there are some more steps. I think I've covered everything. If you need more, you can change your power plan on PC if you are using a laptop. And I've already covered this one. So this one is also covered. And that's pretty much it. Apply these fixes one by one, and most players see result immediately after two or three changes. Let me know in the comments what worked for you.